So, good morning, ma'am. I'm here to present my simple project, which is subject prerequisite. So, the goal of this project is to let the user input what they desired subject to know its prerequisite. So, subject are stored in subject database, which composed of subject and prerequisite. So, at the left side is the subject itself, and the right side is the subject prerequisite. So example of this is ICOM is the has prerequisite of none or non-prerequisite. Discrete one has GEMMW as its own prerequisite. So I use prerequisite X as a function so that when the user will input that they want to know the prerequisite of algo will be sent as an X. So algo will be sent to subject and Y will be needed to be found. So Y is found as data struct. So data struct will be sent again as Y, but we need to change the X as the Y value of it, which is data struct. So we need to send again data struct. Then we find prog2. Prog2 will be sent again, and we find prog1. Prog1 has been found, and none has been found. So when we send none again, it returns false because nothing has found none in the subject database. So another example is thesis 2. So when we run this program, it will send thesis 2 and then found thesis writing 1. Then when we send thesis writing 1, it first use the CS Elect3 since it is first initialized and it hits the intersection of it, which is CS Elect3 and research. So what will we do here is that when we send CS Elect3, CS Elect 1 has been found. And then we will send again CS Elect, then OOP has been found. And when we send again, data struct has been found up until probe 1. Then probe 1, when we send again, it will send none or found none. So when we send none, it has no value or false. But because we hit intersection, it will backtrack again to where the intersection happened, which is in thesis writing 1. So when we send thesis writing 1, it will research has been found. When we send again the research, softeng has been found. But you notice that in softeng 1, it also hits the intersection. So we need to use the first initialized value which is OOP. And then OOP has been sent and data struct has been found until probe 1. And because we also hit the none value or the false value because none has not found in the database, we will backtrack again to last intersection, which is softeng1. And then we will use again IM1. And then data struct has been found, so we need to send it again, then prog2, then prog1, and none. Since none has not found on database, so we return false, and that is the final output of the function or program. So the result is this. So these displayed values are the prerequisite before you can take thesis 2. You may notice that there are a lot of none values because we hit none and return false. Then because we hit intersection, So we need to go back to where the intersection has found. That's all, and thank you.